Hello and welcome back. This is Steve from SkiCoachingOnline. In this video, we're just having a little look at the tracks we leave in the snow and how they can help us understand what's happening with our skis. So if I'm doing a little bit of a side slip, what's going to happen is I'm going to leave a very fat track in the snow because I've got 180 centimeter skis, and if I slide sideways, I'm going to leave a track that's about 180 centimeters. If I then do a little bit of a carve across the hill or a traverse, the track I leave in the snow is like pencil thin. So what we're looking for when we're doing, say, a short turn on something steep is I will skid a little bit around the middle of the corner. But what I'm looking for is right at the end is I want to have that little bit of a thin track, and that'll just enable my ski to go in the direction it's pointed and just give me that extra little bit of control through the end of the turn. So the shape that we're looking for is kind of like a crescent moon shape, as you can see in the image on the side there. So it's looking for, it's going to be quite thin at the start, and then if I need to do a bit of a spin of the skis to slow myself down, that's okay, but then I finish thin at the end so that I can go the direction my ski is pointed, and that can give me a little bit more security or purchase at the end of the turn to make sure that I've got that grip that I need to travel in the direction that I want to go. So here I am coming up on a black slope. It's pretty icy, as you can probably hear under my skis. So it's okay to have a little bit of a slide, but I make sure I end the turn with a little bit of a thin track, so that way then I can go the direction that my skis are pointed. And it just gives me that little bit of extra control through the end of the turn, so that I feel nice and safe, and I'm going the direction that I want to go. Give this a try, have a little look at the tracks next time you're skiing around. Remember, it's okay to have a fat track in the middle, but I try to end with a little bit of a thin track where my ski is going the direction it's pointed. Try this out when you're next on the hill, let me know how it goes, and I'll catch you in the next one.